That is amazing. Amazing. No, it's right overhead. I've been at the Washington Monument on New Year's and it wasn't